First download the Ubuntu ISO file from this link. We'll paste in the description. Also download the roofers, this portable version. This is also I will add in the description. After downloading the roofers, execute it. Yeah, do it, Nick. Sorry. Do you want to allow request to open? Yes. Okay, this came. Select it. This is the 26 ISO file. Okay, it is for 32. I hope you can see this. This is correct, right? Pointer side MRP BIOS. You are selected. Now let it do its thing. It will probably do in some time. So it's time we start the installing. First I need to do this. F9, 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 F9. Okay, we got the boot. Sorry, it's not the boot. Why not? USB hard drive. Maybe this. It's taking too much time. Where is the wizard setup? Man, it took so much time. I thought we would have something like this, but Ubuntu 26 really is far different. Let's just hope I do not wipe my Windows SSD, man. Okay, this does work. Nice. Seeing, hearing, typing, potentials. One more thing I want to say that do not select India or any other region except English, US and UK, else it will select your regional language, none other than English. Sorry, oh no, after this tab, this. Your computer is not plugged into power source. Let me fix that. I don't want it to be much bloated, man. Offline for DSS for Office Solutions as a web browser. I know which browser I will use, but which should I pick? Let me. Basic utensils. You want to ship this no progress after installing additional software new pickup graphics. Yeah, do that, man. I don't want to be stuck while listening or seeing something. Installable alongside Windows boot. Erase this. I think this is the part when things get interesting. We will probably choose the third part because that's what I did in the previous time. I will let you know what did I change or did. Okay, the thing is the smaller drive I need to install there, but it's not letting me to do it. Why I don't know. So after I searched something and I realized that I need to format this. I need to remove this to partition, then I have to select this, then we would able to do what we want. Select on this. I guess I have to do this, and let me just yeah, 0 is the one that I need to remove. Also see this. I should probably have to do this. Yay. Okay, I have free space now. This entire drive is free. I think I should be able to. Oh yes, I'm able to select this. Nice, very nice. I need to change this. We don't need this much. Let me first ask the like normally it only needs around 512, but I don't know about 26, so let me just check for a second. So after I chat with Claude, it seems to be fine enough to change it to around 512. So I'm gonna do that. Give me some GBs. I need them. The world needs them right now. Yeah, FAT32. Okay, we have this. Now we have to create 2 more partitions, one for swap. And for swap, the logic is that the amount of RAM you have, you can create as much as swap. If you want to be like safe, I don't know much about that, so I would be going with the safe option. This is the type that I selected. I have 16 GB RAM, DDR4. Yeah, my RAM cost more. This is currently the RAM Megalodon running. I have selected swap for it. I haven't selected any mount because this guy also has not selected any mount. Yeah, and then he just select the normal as a root, so I'll just go with it. Swap partition. The third one is this. You can create it like this. Select on the free space, then click on the plus. I didn't happen anything. Let it be what it was. I think in Linux, yeah, this is the root sign. Just let me check it once. What it told me to, that's it. No problem. Everything goes to like this. So selected NVMe SSDs. Please make sure you to do that. We have successfully, correctly probably created this file correctly. Now I think I should go to next. Finger crossed. I will just admit. So we are gonna. We should uncheck both of this. This requires password. It's my personal PC. I don't want every time to log in. I need to enter password. I directly want to boot into it, so I do not have to worry about that. And this is for a corporate thing like centralized authentication. Nah, I don't need that. Oh, that's definitely not the correct place, but it's still okay, man. Let me go back. So this is a very useful thing that it tells manual installation, tab installation NVMe 0 and 1, the 500 one. The default selection application, I will download it afterward. Decryption, I don't want any of that stuff. I also disable it in Windows, like BitLocker stuff like that. I don't want that. I hate that. And the SDA one is unchanged. Recordings that. You can see that like my Windows disk is not affected by any of that created in format on XDA4. Only my C11111, you can see the from the naming convention the N1 is my and the N0. This will be created, formatted as swap, resized as swap, created. This is the SDA one, probably my pen drive. So we are good to go. I will let you know in some time. So it took really long time to come here, but I think it's related to downloading the drivers and stuff like that. So I'm not complaining, like it was relatively much stressless than 22 and bit better than 24, and 26 is almost like you can just install it without any knowledge of command or anything. It's just you need to watch 2 tutorials, like I did it around 1.5 hours maybe, I guess. So what it's saying, so restart of computer, continue testing, restart now, man. So please remove the installation medium. It's saying me to remove the pen drive. I remove that and I will press enter again. Let's see what happens. Unable to finalize it. That's not a good sign. And we have blue screen of death. Let's see what happened. I have not installed GURP, so like we have to. Okay, we are in it, but I have not set up the GURP menu because I don't like a and I will not change anything. Like I need Windows most of them because I am a Valor player. I like to play, but when I want to build anything or when I want to just learn anything or download anything, the Ubuntu is much better because of the terminal, so I use that. So to come here in boot menu, you need to press F9, so it won't directly boot to Windows, it will boot to boot menu. Different OEMs have different things. You can Google it online, man. You can do that much, yeah. And for the ones who like, if you want like fan controls in your HP Victus, in Omen also it does work. Like you can go here. I have used it and it's relatively less hassle free. You just need to add a profile and you are good to go, man. Do not come here like this. It's just so chain lock. It's a very bad way to start. You should first read the documentation how to install. It is currently below the code. This is still for Windows. And then this is the part. Start from here. Download and then extract it, and then put everything, download, extract, and change the folder name to this. That would be much helpful in the later. And then you can follow this guide. GUI is not the best way. Go to CLI and then do the above stuff according to your model, and then check this status, and then run this command maximum. It will set it to like 49k. Like it's the, like after trying for around 3 months, I have used around 24 also. This is the best alternative I was able to find in the hassle free way. Thank you.